Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will focus on the Rowenta RR6926WH vacuum cleaner, specifically addressing the motor issues that may arise. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft brush for cleaning. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the wall. Safety is our top priority. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are usually 4 screws located on the back of the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You might notice some dust accumulation inside. Use the soft brush to clean any debris around the motor area. This is a crucial step as dust can interfere with the motor's performance. Now, locate the motor itself. There will be additional screws holding the motor in place. Carefully unscrew these, taking care to keep track of each screw. If you find it challenging to manage, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the motor is free, you can conduct a preliminary inspection. Look for any visible signs of damage such as burnt wires or broken components. If everything appears intact, use the multimeter to test the motor's continuity. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting and connect the probes to the motor terminals. A reading near 0 indicates a functional motor. If you encounter an open circuit, the motor may need replacement. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the service you need without hassle. No calls, no travel, just a smooth experience right from your doorstep. Assuming the motor is faulty and needs replacement, you can purchase a compatible motor online or from a local appliance store. Ensure it matches the specifications of your Rowenta RR6926WH. Once you have the new motor, installation is the reverse of removal. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. After securing the motor, place the motor cover back on and screw it into place. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any loose parts during operation. Finally, plug in the vacuum cleaner and test its functionality. If it powers on and operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Rowenta RR6926WH. If issues persist, consider reaching out for a repair quote before repair, ensuring you're informed about potential costs. In summary, repairing the Rowenta RR6926WH motor involves proper tools, careful inspection, and cleanliness. Don't forget, if you find any difficulties during this process, we're here to help with our professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.